अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, मैं ज़िशान हूँ और आज हम लोग एक और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग जगह पे आए हुए हैं। ये हमारे पीछे जेसिस है, बहुत बड़ा स्टैचू बना हुआ है, बहुत बड़ा। और मेरे साथ हैं एंड्री, मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, बहुत ज़बरदस्त। मैं आज इनको पिक करने के लिए आया था, तो हमारी नज़र पड़ी जेसिस पे, स्टैचू पे। तो मैंने कहा चलें इसको भी ले लेते हैं अपनी वीडियो में। और यहाँ पे बहुत लोग भी आए हुए हैं इनको देखने के लिए। वो बहुत बड़ा स्टैचू है, लेकिन मैं इसको उस हिसाब से वीडियो में नहीं ला पा रहा। चलें आपको बाकी भी दिखाएंगे और एंड्री से बाकी बातें भी रास्ते में करेंगे। बहुत शुक्रिया। आज मैं हूँ छोटी गाड़ी में अपने एक दोस्त एंड्री के साथ, और हम लोग आए थे यहाँ पे। मैं एक्चुअली एंड्री को पिक करने के लिए आया था यहाँ पे छोटी गाड़ी में। तो आज मैं ट्रक में नहीं हूँ, तो मैंने कहा चलें, ये बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलते हैं। बाकी पॉलिश पीपल आपको पता है कि वो प्रॉपर इंग्लिश नहीं जानते, तो आप इनसे थोड़ी सी गपशप लगाते हैं। हाउ आर यू एंड्री?
Hello, I'm fine. I really don't know what you say that, but I believe you.
Thank you, thank you. I speak my viewers,
Yeah.
so he all know what I say. Okay, so
Completely.
what do you think about Asians?
Like I told you, I spent few years abroad. I was in UK, in
Okay.
Germany, in Holland. So I was warehouse worker.
Okay,
I was driver worker. So I spent a lot of time with immigrants people, and from your country too, from Pakistanian, from wait a second.
from India and
Yeah, India too.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, exactly. Bangladesh, from this area too. So, in my opinion, the people are different in other countries. I mean, you can spend good time with good people, or you can find bad people everywhere. It doesn't matter. It is Poland, it is Germany, it is UK, United
Okay,
States.
it's mean you know about Asians before me.
Actually, I don't know. I spent a lot of time with Asian when I was in UK on warehouse with clothes
Okay.
warehouse. ASOS. This is big company with clothes. They selling clothes all the world.
Okay.
And I spoke with few few people from India, and like I told you, some from your nation are really good people, and some not really good. And this is depends from your character, from your job, and too many other things. So I am immigrant too, so for me this is really I understand these problems,
Okay.
these people. So
you are also truck driver.
actually now,
So actually now, so something ask about truckers.
so truckers. This is my
Truck
favorite
job
job.
is good for Asians in Europe or not? What do you think?
Yeah, in my opinion, yes. This is good job for you and your friends. Like I told you before, this is some chance for you. My country
better
is
future.
Yeah, for better your future. You can earning here good money from
Yes.
you, of course,
Yeah.
on the beginning, and then you can go actually
You want to go
anywhere.
Pakistan?
Maybe someday.
What you know about Pakistan?
I know you have really big mountains around your country.
Yes.
And I heard a lot of history about your wars in this area.
Yes.
And about tourists in this area. I mean, mountain
Yes.
hikers. I don't know.
Mountain forest is there.
Mountain tourists.
Yes.
Mountain tourists. So
Tourist places.
some people dying in this mountain.
Yes. Because you know, K2 is in Pakistan. K2 is second biggest mountain in the world.
Oh, I didn't know it. Oh,
Don't know.
this is something new.
If you come with me in Pakistan, I will show you.
In this company, I don't think so. We don't have a time for anyone, for anything, and anyone too. And where is the airport in your country?
Many airport is there. Islamabad airport is near me, and Peshawar airport also is near me.
Okay, so few airports.
Yes. This two airport is near me, and after if you want, you can land in Karachi and Lahore, Multan also. Pakistan is big.
So you can choose.
Yes, this is your choice.
So good. I mean, 9 hours. This is really fast travel. Flight
Okay.
travel, but fast. And for example, if you want to go own car,
On car, I don't have idea.
but few days.
Yeah,
Fine.
must few days because you know.
This is 3,000 kilometers.
I think 9 hour, like 6,000-7,000 kilometers. I think.
Oh, between 6 and 7. Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
that's
it's very far.
too far away.
Yes.
So yeah, I mean, airplane is only one way, only one option.
Yes, only one option because big sea in the on the way. So
Yeah,
how you drive, that is very difficult.
Yeah.
So this video is for our viewers, okay, and Asian viewers.
Yeah, we try best I can.
Yes.
Yes, we
Okay.
try best we can.
Yes. ये एंड्रियन है भाई, बहुत ही गब्बी आदमी है, बहुत अच्छे आदमी हैं। तो इनके साथ मेरी पहले भी मुलाकात हो चुकी है। ये बहुत गप्पे मारते हैं ट्रक ड्राइवर हैं और यूके भी रह चुके हैं और बाकी कंट्रीज़ में भी ये ड्राइव कर चुके हैं और अभी ये वापस आए हैं जर्मनी से। तो इन्होंने ट्रक खड़ा किया कहीं दूर और मैंने इनको पिक किया है। अभी हम गप्पे लगाते लगाते जाते हैं। मैंने कहा आपकी थोड़ी सी मुलाकात करा दें, तो फिर इंशाल्लाह किसी और बंदे के साथ फिर भी मुलाकात होगी। एंड्रियन, बाय बाय।
Bye bye for all. Pakistan, Zindabad.
जिंदाबाद। ओके।